Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 2 severe weather outlook. We have an enhanced risk for severe weather tomorrow, covering parts of central and west central Wisconsin and central and east central Minnesota. Cities and tomorrow's enhanced include Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Bloomington, Minnesota, Plymouth, Minnesota, and Brooklyn Park, Minnesota. There's a slight tomorrow covering east central South Dakota, parts of Minnesota, northeastern Iowa, far northern Illinois, much of Wisconsin, and a little bit of the UP of upper Michigan. Cities in tomorrow's slight include Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Madison, Wisconsin, Green Bay, Wisconsin, Rochester, Minnesota, and Rayshine, Wisconsin. There are two marginals tomorrow, one covering far southeastern North Dakota, eastern South Dakota, far southwestern and northern Minnesota, parts of Iowa, far northwestern Wisconsin, northern Illinois, far northern Indiana, much of Michigan, and far northwestern Ohio. The second marginal tomorrow covers parts of Texas and parts of Oklahoma. Cities in tomorrow's marginals include Chicago, Illinois, Detroit, Michigan, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Grand Rapids, Michigan. Now to tomorrow's tornado threat. There is a 5% chance of tornadoes tomorrow covering southeastern Minnesota and central and west central Wisconsin. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area tomorrow include Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Rochester, Minnesota, Bloomington, Minnesota, and Plymouth, Minnesota. There are two areas where we have a 2% tornado risk tomorrow. One covers east central South Dakota, parts of Minnesota, northeastern Iowa, and parts of Wisconsin. Another 2% tornado risk tomorrow covers central Texas and central Oklahoma. Cities in both 2% tornado risk areas tomorrow include Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Madison, Wisconsin, and Abilene, Texas. Now, there's a black dashed area up here. The black dashed area is level 1 of 3. A level 1 of 3 on the Tornado Condition Index for tomorrow. The black dashed area is the highest potential for strong tornadoes of EF1 rating or stronger tomorrow. Alright, the black dashed is the highest potential for strong tornadoes reaching or exceeding EF1. Alright, it could go as high as EF2. So that's the highest potential in the black dashed area. I'm not saying it can't happen. Outside the black dashed area. But the highest potential for the EF1 or higher is in the black dashed area. Areas outside the black dashed area, still in the tornado risk, are generally EF0, but again, can't rely on EF1 either, even outside the black dashed area. Cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Rochester, Minnesota, and Bloomington, Minnesota, and Plymouth, Minnesota. Now to the wind threat for tomorrow. There is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, covering central and southeastern Minnesota, northeastern Iowa, far northern Illinois, and most of Wisconsin. Cities in the 15% wind risk area tomorrow include Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Madison, Wisconsin, and Green Bay, Wisconsin. And there are two areas where we have a 5% wind risk tomorrow. One covering far southeastern North Dakota, eastern South Dakota, parts of Minnesota, parts of Wisconsin, northern Illinois, northern Wisconsin, most of Michigan, far northern Indiana, and far northwestern Ohio. Another 5% tomorrow covers parts of Texas and parts of Oklahoma. The 5% wind risk areas tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, Detroit, Michigan, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Grand Rapids, Michigan. And now to the hail threat for tomorrow. There is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow, covering central and eastern Minnesota and central and west central Wisconsin. The 30% hail risk area tomorrow include Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Bloomington, Minnesota, Plymouth, Minnesota, and Brooklyn Park, Minnesota. There is a really There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow, covering east central South Dakota, parts of Minnesota, northern and northeastern Iowa, much of Wisconsin, far northern Illinois, and a little bit of the UP of Upper Michigan. The 15% hail risk area tomorrow includes Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Madison, Wisconsin, Green Bay, Wisconsin, Rochester, Minnesota, and Racine, Wisconsin. And there are two areas where we have a 5% hail risk for tomorrow, one covering far southeastern North Dakota, eastern South Dakota, far southwestern and northern Minnesota, parts of Iowa, northern Illinois, far northwestern Wisconsin, most of Michigan, far northern Indiana, and far northwestern Ohio. Another 5% hail risk tomorrow covers parts of Texas and parts of Oklahoma. The 5% hail risk areas for tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, Detroit, Michigan, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Grand Rapids, Michigan. Alright? So yeah. Now, if you look at the black dashed areas, the black dashed areas are level 1 of 2 in the hail intensity index for tomorrow. The black dashed areas are where we have the highest potential for hail to reach or exceed 2 inches in diameter tomorrow. Alright? The black dashed areas are the highest potential for the hail to reach or exceed 2 inches in diameter tomorrow. Taking the black dashed area tomorrow include Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Minneapolis, Minnesota, and St. Paul, Minnesota. So, in summary, severe thunderstorms are likely across the upper Mississippi Valley and Great Lakes region with potential for large to very large hail, damaging wind, and tornadoes. A more conditional and isolated risk for severe storms is possible across portions of the southern plains on Monday. So, that's your day 2 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, no matter what risk you're in, okay? Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, no matter what risk you're in. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I'll go over all of this again in tomorrow's Day 1 Severe Weather Outlook video. Take care.